Good morning students. Today we will start the exercise 5.5. The first question is, which of the following are models of perpendicular line? Okay, that's the first question. The adjusting angle edges of the table. Adjusting angles is adjusting edges of the top of the table. There is a table is this type table. Okay, this 1 and 2, these two sides are adjacent edge. So this is the perpendicular. So your answer is yes. Okay. Second, the line of the railway track, and the railway track is a two railway track is an important example of parallel line. That is not a perpendicular line. That the answer is no. It means the railway track is not a perpendicular. Now third, the line segment forming of the letter L. This the letter L is a perpendicular. Two lines is the one line is the perpendicular line is a stand on the one line is another line, and the angle of 90. It's the two lines are perpendicular. So this is the answer of yes. The letter of L is a showing of perpendicular line. And fourth is the letter V. Letter V is not a perpendicular because in two lines is not between the angle of 90. Okay, so this is the first question. Now second question, start the second question. Let a PQ be the perpendicular of the line segment XY. Let PQ and XY intersect in the point of A. What is the measure of angle PXY? So first you draw a line segment PQ. First you draw a line segment PQ. This is the line segment PQ. Okay, the P and this is the Q, line segment of PQ. Okay, and perpendicular to line segment XY. This is the XY. X and Y. Okay, and intersect in the point of A. This is the point of A is a intersect point. Okay, did I write the what is the measuring of the angle of PAY? Is a P, A and Y. This is the angle of that angle of PAY is equal to 90 degree. Okay, now question number 3. There are two set square in your box, and what are the measuring of the angle that are formed at this corner, and do they have any angles that is a common? So first you show ki two set square in your box. In geometry box, two in set square is geometry box, the shape of this type, and second is okay, and here the angle of this is the angle of 90 and this is the angle of 90 is because it is a triangle. So this is the angle of 45, this is the angle of 45, this is the angle of 60 and this angle of 30. Okay, because it is the both are a triangle, the sum of all angles is 180. 90, 45 and 45 sum is 180, and 90, 30 and 60 is always 180. Okay, so the answer is, you write the answer according to diagram. The answer is that one set square has 45 degree, 90 degree and 45 degree. Okay, this is the angle, and other means second, other square set square, other set square is angle has first is 60, 90 and 30. Okay, and they have angle 90 as common angle. Okay, the two set square in the geometry box is the angle of 45 and 90, and second is 60, 90 and 30, and 90 is a common angle. The study of the diagram, the line L, this is the line L and perpendicular to line of M. Okay, this is the line M. Okay, and this is the line L and perpendicular to line M. And the study this diagram, each point A, B, C, D, E, F, G and H, the distance is equal of each two points, the 1 centimeter, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is the number line and the equal distance between two continuous numbers. So there, according to questions, they solve the some questions. There the first question is CE. Here is the CE and EG. CE is a 2 centimeter, that CE is 2 centimeter, okay, and EG is equal to 2 centimeter. It means that the answer is, first answer is yes. Okay, second, do PE equal to CE PE, where is the PE, okay, and CG and CG. Okay, so this is the bisect. Okay, bisect, it means this answer is yes, because C to G is a 4 centimeter, and this is the bisect of PE. So that the point of PE, here is the PE and CG is equal. Now third, identify any two line segment for the which PE is a perpendicular to bisect. PE is the line segment, PE is the bisect of this line is identify. So you write the names. Okay, you write the names of is the two line segment is the perpendicular to bisect is a, first name is BH, where B to H, 1 2 3 1 2 3. Okay, second is C 1 2 and 2, so CG. Okay, and DF, the two line segment is a bisect of line M. Okay, now fourth question, are these the true? AC is greater than EF, FG. AC is a 2 centimeter, is a 2 centimeter, A to C. Okay, and FG is a 1 centimeter. It means this is the true. Okay, now CD, C to D is 1 centimeter, and GH, where is the GH already 1 centimeter, the 1 centimeter is equal, that the answer is true. Okay, now third is BC, where is the BC, B to C is a 1 centimeter. Okay, and EH, E to H. Okay, that is the EH, E to H, E to H is a 3 centimeter. This is the 1 centimeter, the 3 centimeter is a 3 is greater than 1, that is the answer is a always true. Okay, now here the finish the exercise 5.7, that the first question is say true and false. The some properties related to a question, the parallelograms, rectangles, square and trapezium. Then some property will given, you have find which property is right and which property is a wrong. Okay, that the first question, each angles of the rectangle is a right angle. It is a commonly you have write the yes. This is the true. Okay, because you have understand rectangles is all angles are 90. Okay, the opposite second is the opposite side of the rectangles are equal. Obviously the opposite sides are rectangles are equal, that the answer is true. Third, the diagonals of the square are perpendicular to one another. The square is a four side, all four sides are equal and each angle is 90. Okay, and diagonals are perpendicular bisect, that the answer is true. Okay, all the sides D, all the sides of the rhombus are equal. The rectangle, rhombus and square is a property are same, only the one difference will be all in square is all sides, all angles are equal 90, and rhombus is all angles are not 90 but opposite sides are equal. So this is the all side of the all the sides of the rhombus is equal length, is the true. Okay, now all the fifth E, all the sides of the parallelograms are equal length, that the parallelogram is shape of this type and opposite sides are equal, not all side. Okay, the opposite pair of the side is equal and parallel but all sides are length are not equal, so that is the false. And last is the opposite sides of the trapezium is parallel. Now shape of the trapezium is only one pair of parallel, is not equal. Okay, so that is the opposite sides of trapezium is not parallel, only one pair of the side is parallel, so this is the false. Okay, again each angle of the right angle is right angle, true. The opposite sides of the rectangle is equal length, yes. Now yeah, the diagonals of the square of the perpendicular to one another, right. The all sides of the rhombus are equal, this is the diagrams, and the all sides of the parallelograms is equal length, false, because parallelograms is only opposite sides are equal and parallel. The opposite sides of the trapezium is parallel, no, only one sides parallel, that not equal. Okay, next question is give the response for the followings. There are 5 questions are given, you have read and after write the response. There the first question, I square can be thought as a special rectangles. It's a rectangle, a square is a special rectangle, so that the response is that the answer response is a rectangle. Rectangle, okay, a rectangle with all sides equal, all sides equal become I square. It's mean I square can be thought as the special rectangle, that the rectangle with the all sides equal become I square. In second, a rectangle can be thought as a special parallelogram. If the rectangle is a special parallelogram, now that the response is the answer is a parallelogram. A parallelogram is a parallelogram with each angle is a right angle, a parallelogram which each angle is a right angle is become a square, is a rectangle. Okay, that our rectangle can be thought of the special parallelogram. Yes, a parallelogram with each angle is a right angle is a become a rectangles. Okay, now third, a square can be thought a use special rhombus. Yes, that the response is the a rhombus with each angle, which type? A right angle, okay, that become a square. Okay, a square can be thought of the special rhombus. Yes, rhombus with each angle is a 90, that it is the rhombus. This shape is the rhombus and each angle is 90, it's called the special square. Okay, now fourth, square, rectangles, parallelograms are quadrilateral. Yes, that the answer is all these, which type? All these are four side, all of these are four sides polygons made a line segment. Okay, again square, rectangle, parallelogram are quadrilateral. Yes, because all these are four side polygon made by the line segment. And the last is square is also parallelogram. Yes, that the response is the opposite sides of square are which type? Parallel, that is the parallel. So it is parallelogram.